Today I will be talking about dopamine and the thalamus. Dopamine plays a vital role in reward and movement regulations in the brain. In the reward pathway, the production of dopamine takes place in the ventral tegmental area, or the VTA, in nerve cell bodies. From there, it is released into the nucleus accumbens and prefrontal cortex. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter made in the brain. Basically, it acts as a chemical messenger between neurons. Dopamine is released when your brain is expecting a reward. When you come to associate a certain activity with pleasure, mere anticipation may be enough to raise dopamine levels. Having too much dopamine, or too much dopamine concentrated in some parts of the brain and not enough in other parts, is linked to being more competitive, aggressive, and having poor impulse control. It can lead to conditions that include ADHD, binge eating, addiction, and gambling. Having low levels of dopamine can make you less motivated and excited about things. It's linked to some mental illnesses, including depression, schizophrenia, and psychosis. Next is the thalamus. Your thalamus is your body's information relay station. All information from your body's senses, except for smell, must be processed through your thalamus before being sent to your brain's cerebral cortex for interpretation. Your thalamus also plays a role in sleep, wakefulness, consciousness, and learning and memory. Problems that can stem from your thalamus include memory loss or amnesia, lack of interest or enthusiasm, loss of ability to understand language or speak, trouble with attention, trouble processing sensory information, impaired movement, sleepiness, or chronic pain. Damage to your thalamus can result in unconsciousness and even a coma, sleep disorders such as insomnia, thalamic aphasia, which is jumbled words or meaningless speech, movement disorders including tremors, pain syndromes, vision problems, including vision loss or light sensitivity, and thalamic pain syndrome, which is tingling or burning pain. Some ways to release dopamine in the body is smelling food that you like, exercising, listening to music, shopping, or sex. Ways to activate the thalamus in your body is sleeping or waking, or consciousness, motor movements, attention, emotions and behavior, and speaking.